From the dawn of maritime history, the ocean was not just water. It was a dark, infinite realm of nightmares, hiding creatures beyond our comprehension. We gave these terrors names, like Kraken and Leviathan, using myths to explain the vanishing ships and the deep, silent losses we could not understand. But imagine the crushing weight of the deep, a cold, lonely void where time stands still and where only the most ancient, forgotten shadows dare to dwell. We feared what lay beneath, yet we never imagined that our very presence would change the rules of this silent, submerged world forever. Look closely at the giants of the deep. They swim through the abyss with an ancient grace, peaceful rulers of a kingdom we barely understand.
The Kraken has ceased its hunt. The Leviathan no longer roars. These creatures now drift in quiet, searching for a path away from the encroaching darkness. Why are they hiding? Have they lost their strength? Or are they trembling before a predator far more terrifying than any myth we ever invented? Something has invaded their home, a silent, invisible threat that stalks them in the dark, turning the once mighty masters of the sea into fugitives. This is no legend. This is the testament of the tides. We have unleashed a plague that doesn't hunt with fangs, but with eternal, synthetic decay. Islands of waste now float where ancient leviathans once roamed. We have built a mountain of garbage, a monument to our own relentless, blind consumption.
Scarred by oil and choked by chemicals, the ocean's vibrant colors are fading. The silent screams of its inhabitants are lost in our industrial roar. Sound itself has become a trap. Our ships and machines create a wall of noise that leaves these creatures lost, disoriented, and far from safety. We are the apex predators, standing tall on the chain of life, yet we are the very ones destroying the foundation of our existence. What we have done to the ocean, we have done to ourselves. The cradle of life is breaking, and the cost of our silence is astronomical. Yet, in the depths of this disaster, there is a pulse, a movement toward healing as we start to mend the scars we have left behind.
We are replanting the gardens of the sea, one coral at a time, striving to bring back the life that once thrived in these vast waters. The true monster was never under the waves. It was in the mirror we look into every single morning. The power to change is ours. The ocean is not dead. It is merely waiting. It is waiting for us to awaken, to take responsibility, and to become its guardians instead. We cannot survive without the ocean, yet it could thrive without us. Will we be the ones to end it, or the ones to save? The choice is yours. Write a new chapter for our blue planet, or watch as the legacy of the deep turns into just another legend.
Protect the depths. Cherish the unknown. For the ocean is the beating heart of our world, and its survival rests entirely in our hands today. Look past the myths. See the reality of what we have built, and recognize the urgent need to protect the fragile beauty that remains below. Every piece of plastic removed is a promise to the future. Every acre protected is a tribute to the ancient giants who have seen centuries pass. Let us turn the page on our destructive history. Let us embrace a future where humanity and the ocean exist in a delicate, lasting balance. The giants are waiting, not for a battle, but for a resolution. Will you stand with the ocean in its hour of greatest need?
History will remember how we treated the cradle of all life. Make sure your actions today reflect the courage required to protect this dying world. Silence the greed. Listen to the ocean. It speaks to those who care enough to hear the warning within its rhythmic and relentless crashing tides. There is magic in the depths that we are only beginning to uncover. We must not allow our hubris to extinguish this precious alien light. Rebirth is possible if we stop the harm. The coral can bloom again if we provide the clean, safe home that it truly deserves today. We are merely temporary guests on this earth. The ocean is the true ancient inhabitant. Respect its boundaries, and it will reward us all.
Do not let the stories of the past overshadow the reality of our future. We are writing the final chapters for the deep blue sea. The ocean remembers every footprint, every act of kindness, and every careless disaster. Choose your path wisely before the tide turns forever for us. In the reflection of the stars upon the sea, we see our own hope, a bridge between the unknown deep and our own human spirit. The kelp forests stand as silent sentinels, swaying with the currents, pleading for a world where they can continue to thrive for all time. Ancient giants dwell in the dark, watching our movements. They have survived storms for millions of years, yet they are fragile against our pollution.
Look into the eyes of the wild. Do you see the fear? Or do you see the hope that we might finally change our ways tonight? Small hands can make a grand difference. Together, we can reverse the damage. Every bottle removed, every net retrieved is a step toward restoration. The power of nature is absolute. Do not underestimate the resilience of the sea, but do not test its patience, for it will not wait. In the deepest trenches, where light dares not reach, the ocean keeps its secrets. Let us keep our promise to protect those hidden, beautiful realms. This is our only chance. The legacy of our time will be defined by what we save, not by what we decide to simply destroy.
Let them swim free, unburdened by our waste, unfettered by our greed. This is the goal we must strive for with every action we take. The horizon is not an ending, it is a new beginning. If we are brave enough to face our failures, we can build a future. The water flows through us all, connecting every living thing. To harm the ocean is to hurt ourselves. Remember this truth as we move ahead. Imagine a world where these reefs are vibrant and healthy once again. This is not impossible. It is the dream that we must make reality. Deep in the blue, life carries on, waiting for the day we finally stop the destruction and begin to heal the wounds we caused deep.
Every small detail counts. Every effort matters. We are the stewards of this planet, and it is time we acted like the protectors we are. We sail across these waters, unaware of the damage we leave in our wake. It is time to look back and clean the path behind us. The unknown deep holds the future of our planet. Let us preserve it, honor it, and keep it safe from the harm of our industrial age. Simple treasures found on the shore remind us of the beauty we have at stake. Let us never lose sight of what we stand to lose. The dawn brings a new light, a new day, and a new opportunity to change the way we interact with the vast, incredible blue ocean today.
The light penetrates the depth, revealing the hope that we still have. Let that light guide us toward a cleaner and more sustainable future path. Rising from the depths, our hope emerges. Like bubbles in the sea, we must lift our collective spirits to protect the world that feeds us. The ocean remains our greatest legacy. Let us leave it better than we found it, so future generations can explore its wonders without the fear. In the shadows of the sea, we find ourselves. Let us not be the monsters in our own stories, but the heroes we need to be. Watch them swim with grace and freedom. They deserve a home untouched by our waste. Let us commit to that goal with all our hearts.
The coast is where we meet the infinite. Let us treat this meeting with respect, care, and a profound sense of duty to the wildlife. The light of the deep is a beacon of hope. Let it shine through our efforts to clean the oceans and protect our future together now. Reefs are the heart of the ocean. When they are vibrant, life flourishes. Protect them, and we protect the very soul of the blue planet. Our legacy is written in the water. Make it a legacy of beauty, restoration, and care for all the creatures that live beneath the waves today. The depths are calling for our help. Let us answer with courage, wisdom, and a commitment to change the course of history for the ocean.
The heartbeat of the sea is the rhythm of our own lives. Protect it, cherish it, and ensure it continues for generations yet to be born. As the sun sets, we look to tomorrow. A tomorrow where the ocean is clean, vibrant, and alive once more. The choice is ours today. Let the light guide us. We are the architects of the future. Build a world that honors the deep and respects its ancient, silent power. Freedom is the birthright of every creature. Ensure they have it by keeping the ocean free from our waste and our destructive, careless habits. The waves are the testament to our time. What will they say of us? Let them tell a story of heroes who finally chose to save.
The mysteries of the deep are infinite. Let us protect them with our lives, for they are the treasures that define our wonderful blue world. Each bubble holds a story. Each wave tells of the change we are making. Keep going, stay strong, and protect the heart of the ocean. The horizon waits for our next step. Let it be a step toward a cleaner, healthier, and brighter ocean for all creatures, great and small. Rebirth is the theme of our legacy. Let the coral be the witness to our new beginning and our dedication to the living blue sea. Deep in the dark, the ocean is breathing.
help us keep that breath alive by removing the waste and respecting the life below the surface.
The ripples we make today are the waves of tomorrow. Make them positive, make them healing, and make them count for the life we love. The end is here, but a new dawn is rising. Believe in the change we are creating. Protect the sea and preserve our beautiful planet. The light is our guide. Follow it toward a future where the ocean is safe, free, and thriving once again for all of us today. The giants are leaving their mark. Now it is your turn to leave yours. Protect the ocean and be the change that saves our world. The ocean is our testament. Let it be one of beauty, life, and harmony. The future of our planet is in your hands right now.